So now we save, right? So before you save, you can add parameters. Are you getting me like that? So to add parameters to this, so here is how you can do it. You can click on hand. So you start with hand here. You can see this is the way the link, where this is the way the link started. So this is the additional, this is my publisher ID from the source, from the affiliate source. So they have already started adding parameters. It's not like the way we started before. So you click on, you add cost. Cost is the amount that it costs us to get a conversion. So you add the parameters cost dot USD, capital letter U, USD. So SD. Then you click on equal to, right? So this click ID is for conversion. Don't miss. So assuming it is small letter from the post bag, from the traffic source, you should have changed it to small letter, but it is a capital letter, so that is why I leave it. So I'm supposed to change it. So you can still add another things here if you want. Traffic source ID, you can still add traffic source ID. So I will just leave it like that, and you save it. So we have already added our offer. So now we are going to now create a flow that is from the landing to the offer, right? So we go to flow. So what you do is to click on new. So now this is where you need to know part. Part is the way you want your flow to be. If it is 100, that means if you are using a pre-lander, you can use 3 pre-lander, you can use 4 pre-landers, which is landers. That is your landing page. You can test 4 pre-lander at the same time. What you just needed is just to add more pre-landers and add new part. That means if it is 2 pre-landers you want to test, you make it 2. If it is 3, you make it 3. If it is 4, you make it 4. So I'm using 1 pre-lander, so I will leave it 1. So it's master. Country, you leave it at global, right? So that one, you click on it, you click on that part, you leave this one at 302, leave it at 302. Weight means 100, and 100 means that the pre-lander, the flow is going to one pre-lander. So you see here, add pre-lander, you add the pre-lander. Then the name of the pre-lander is Dreamy, Abby. So you choose the pre-lander, then you click on offer, add offer. So the offer is what? The offer is playable offer, so you choose offer. So that means if you start driving traffic to it now, it will land on your landing page. The traffic will land on your landing page, then go to your offer. Then you click on save. So I've created another flow. So assuming you want to choose another, you want to use another pre-lander, you want to test another pre-lander, you can still add new parts. So that new part, then add another pre-lander. So another pre-lander that we're going to add, let's say we want to add charts. This is the name of the pre-lander. I think I've added it. Charts, chart to date. So this pre-lander, then you add offer. So let's say the second pre-lander, I want it to go to another offer. So you can be driving traffic from even the same country to another pre-lander with the same offer. So if it is the same offer you still want to drive the traffic to, you can still just add the offer and click on save. So when you click on save, you will see it will be 50-50. You can see now 50-50 here. You can see 50-50. That means the traffic, if the first click go to the first pre-lander, the second will go to the second pre-lander. Are you getting me like that? Should we test it? So let us leave it like this. You will see what I'm trying to talk about. Alright, but since we want to use that pre-lander, so let us just try to remove this pre-lander, this part. So let us remove this one. So let us go to first one. Okay, so what we are going to do is this part. So I'm going to let it be 0. That means I'm not trying to, I want all the traffic to go to the first cylinder. Okay, delete the part. So we now save it. So now we now go to our campaign. So this is different. So what we are going to do is to click on new campaign, and you name your campaign. You can name the playable. Let us name it playable. I'm showing you what you cannot get from anywhere. So traffic source, you choose Evadav. So tracking domain, you choose you can choose any of it. Cost model, you can put it auto because we have already put cost USDT when we are doing that. So use flow, right? So use flow because you are using Prelander. Prelander is one of the best way to make sure you are doing the right thing. So you choose the flow. So I have 2 flow. I need to choose the one I created today. Today is 7. So you can see now. So you can see how it will look. Cancel. So this is how it will look. You can see to landings and to the offers. So it will, your traffic will land on the landing page and then go to the offer. Then you click on save. So now this is where you need to know. This campaign URL is what you now go to Evadav to advertise. We still have click URL. So this click URL is now your offer link. Make sure you know that this click URL is now your offer link. Why this campaign URL is now your is now what you will use to advertise. So let me just copy the click URL. So you copy the click URL, which is now your offer link, the new offer link. Then go to your Prelander, that dream Prelander. I'm going to go to it. So let me go. So this dream code Prelander, I'm just going to open it. So I'm going to open it and edit the, so I think I've already attached something like that to it, so I don't need to change it. But if you are the one, just go to your code. So we are using code to create our Prelander. So you just go to your code, so you can see something like this. You can see that they are the same. You don't need, okay, this one is different. The reason this one is very, this one have S and this one doesn't have S, so they are different. So you remove, let me remove this one, and no, this is a practical video, so I put this one. Let me see if there is any one again. So I'm going to check if there's anyone again. All right. I want to, because there is 2 place for my this thing here. Okay, this one, so I will change this one too. Let me see if this one have S. Okay, I've already changed this one. So that way it will be this one. This one must not have S. All right. They are not the same offer. So we are going to put the stuff here. All right. Then let's publish the ad. So we have published the ad like that. So when you can see now, that's our offer link. This will be your offer link. The click URL. So this click URL is, you will know when people click on your URL, which is your offer link, and when you will know when people visit your campaign, which is, this is your campaign link. So this is the campaign link. This one is what you will now advertise. So let's see the campaign link. Let's see how it looks. So you will see that. So this is it. So this is the campaign link. But there is something you need to know about the campaign link. So let us go to the URL. All right. So let us click on it and try to edit it. Let's see if we choose Evadav. Okay. We choose Evadav as our traffic source. As our this thing. So okay. So this is what I want to. So you can see now that it brought all the parameters we added. So it must bring that parameters that we added, the custom conversion. So let us see what I'm talking about. See, you can see this is the correct format. You can see sub ID and everything like that. Are you getting it like that? So this is how it should be. Click ID, cost ID, everything that brought it. So because of this video is too long, I'm going to teach you for only Evadav here. So now go to your Evadav, put your campaign URL, you put it here to generate. So that means the conversion will be now be what will be passed to Evadav. So then you can now create your campaign on Evadav. So you just click here and create your campaign on Evadav. So click on create campaign. So no font is here. You click on create campaign. So you name the campaign any name. You want to look for pop under campaign group URL. So that URL is what you put here, the campaign URL. So you can see now that it has picked all the necessary stuff: zone ID, source ID, course, country, click ID, frequency to country. You can choose. I love Evadav. The reason is because they approve a campaign very fast, and they have a very high following. So this Andorra is. So you can do that and create your campaign. So that's how to create your campaign. So if you click on let us click on campaign link, you will see that it will redirect us to our Pilander. All right, I don't know what is wrong with the. All right, so I've rectified what is in. So you can see now, you can see the campaign link. You can see that it goes straight back to the Pilander. So now let me click on the link, the offer link. All right. So you can see now that this is the offer link. You can see it brought me to offer link, right? All right, so now we have already clicked on the link, and just trying to show you. So we have campaigns, so if you go to your traffic source and try to report, just go to traffic source. Let me show you very well. So if you go to your traffic source, choose Evadav and click on report. So you will see the clicks there. So you can see the clicks. So you see unique visit, six time website visit. Unique visit, that means I'm the only one that click on it. I need unique user is just one. So it will record one and everything. So let me just refresh this. So unique clicks. So I click on the offer link just once. So now you can choose campaign, then you look at your zone ID. Zone ID. Let me see if it will bring the zone ID for my click. So you can see the zone ID, Evadav label. So when you let us just try to expand it. All right. So you will see zone ID here. The zone ID is always like number. So I'm not the person that I click on is not a site. So it's supposed to bring a number. So and you should be able to see the sub ID as well. Just go to the custom stores. So just try to expand it. So you'll be able to see the custom as well. So this is not from a site. Assuming this is from the site, you will be able to see my sub ID and as well as the zone ID where it's coming from. So that's it. And the sub ID and the source ID, you'll be able to filter the traffic in a way that if you are getting visit from a sub ID or someone ID, like maybe 100 visits, and you are seeing only like 2 clicks or 3 clicks, that means both are eating your this thing. And also when the conversion happens, you will see where the sub ID, you will see the sub ID where the conversion happens. So you'll be able to whitelist maybe those sub ID into your campaign, and also where those bad clickers put traffic are seeing are getting your traffic, you'll be able to blacklist it and be able to optimize your campaign. So this is how the video goes. I know it's very long, right? And if you are able to watch this video to the end, you will know you gain a lot from it. And any proper video again to able to filter traffic, I'm going to share with you. I will like to stop here. Make sure you subscribe for content like this.